It's Jordan from University College Birmingham. Myself and 5 other staff members have come down for the Counterbalance and Pallet truck course. We've had a great time. The course has been broken down really well. We've learnt a lot, it's been really effective. Machines have been great, spotless. They're even D-rated, so when you come in, you're not going full speed, you're going nice and slow, relaxed. The staff have been great, we've had a good laugh. Really enjoyed coming, we've enjoyed coming back. Definitely back in the future to do a bit more training.